This video explains how you would do a book search on the library webpage. Here is our library website. You will see in the middle of the page a search box. This is the search box for our OneSearch tool, which allows you to find all sorts of materials in our library. Enter into the search box the keywords for any topic you're interested in, or if you're searching for a book, enter into the search box your title. I will use an example. You will see to the left is the Define Your Search button. Click Open it. Here are a list of the search types available. You will see one for books. Because you're searching for a book, select it here. And once you do, click on the search button to begin your search. If we have a match, usually it will show up at the top of the page. So for this title, it looks like we have a couple of matches. The first one, Public Speaking for College and Career, year 2010. This is available right under the title with the description, available at Kibbe Library Stacks. This is a book on the shelf. You have to decide if you can come to the library and look for it on the shelf. In addition, there are two other versions of this title. You may click on this link to see what the versions are. Here I have two other copies of this book. Right under the title, you see the description, available at Kibbe Library Reserve, second floor. And it is the same thing for this second copy as well. Anytime that you see this description, whether it says available at Kibbe Library or Kibbe Library Reserve, you know that it is a copy on the shelf. For fall 2020, since the library is closed, these copies are off limits to users. If you want to find out whether there is an electronic copy, here we have our original results. If you're interested in finding out whether there is an electronic copy for your title, make sure to go to the left and select Full Text Online. This will limit all the results to those that you can open right at home. Now for Public Speaking for College and Career, we will now see the results, and as you see, there is no match with this title that is available online. So the situation is, while we're looking for this title, we have a couple of copies of this book, but both are only found in the building on the shelf, and they are temporarily off limits to users. There is at the same time no electronic copy.